Namaste, everybody.
Namaste.
We'd like to send a special invite to you all to come join us at the Sedona Vedic Astrology Conference this November.
So we'll be leading a full-day intensive workshop on something that we love to share called Embodiment of the Divine. And this is a beautiful journey through deities, the Hindu deities of India, and also how they correlate with certain yoga practices that we've put together. So it's just a bit of a deep dive into this beautiful study of the archetypes, and our yoga classes will correlate with pranayama and kriyas, so we can learn more about embodying the divine.
Yes. So join us to just take a deeper dive into the deities of the yoga tradition, and we'll share mantra practices, meditations, and wisdom talks, just to have a deeper and a connection and understanding of how these deities not only play out in our current times, but also in the timeless tradition of yoga. So we hope you'll join us again this November in Sedona, Arizona, the beautiful red rocks of Sedona, Arizona, live and in person. Okay, namaste.